Welcome back to Rituals. All right, in today's video, I got a special unboxing, something that I've been waiting for. Let's just say it's an early birthday gift to myself. Ever since Pharrell Williams has taken over as the lead director for men's fashion for Louis Vuitton, I knew once the first collection was going to come out that I was going to have to get at least one piece. Definitely from a collector standpoint. I was trying to get it via Louis Vuitton, the actual store. It was so many people trying to get the pre-orders with their client advisors that it was a hiccup. But because I have a pretty good presence and a pretty good history here with Louis Vuitton, I was able to get exclusive online access to early release of these. So they officially come out tomorrow, but hey, got them early and they came in today for me to unbox and review to you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing of these Louis Vuitton Palace slippers by Pharrell Williams. And before we do that, I need you guys to do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that like button, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like shoe reviews. So this right here is a real unboxing, like for real. Like I haven't even seen these, so the impression you guys get from me is going to be my natural reaction to the shoe, because I have not seen these in hand. Most people have not seen them in hand either. This is what the big box looked like when you get it from online. I believe these came from the New Jersey headquarters. Oh my goodness. You would think, oh man, they really did their thing on this. Now this box is huge. I mean, like, once again, all I got was some slippers, but this box is huge. But look, I guess because of the holidays, they hooked me up with gift wrapping. It's after Christmas, but that's pretty cool. Louis Vuitton bag, man, that's dope. Look at that. Louis Vuitton gift bag. That's pretty cool. So I'll definitely be keeping this. This is definitely a collector's item right here. Definitely a collector's item. Wasn't expecting that. That's the good thing sometimes about ordering online. Oh my goodness. Oh, when y'all see this box. Once again, I have not seen these shoes or anything. I've seen them online, of course, and I gotta have them. I gotta have them. But this is my real reaction. This is the housekeeping stuff, you know what I mean? You know how they do. Receipts and all that good stuff. Y'all don't need to see that. But here's the box. Look at this special wrapping once again for the holidays. Look at this box. Oh my goodness. They did it right. Man. I think I had it upside down. There we go. Look at that. Oh my. Let's get this big box out the way. Look at that, man. That looks amazing. Yeah, I'm about to get into this one. I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. Like I said, I'm gonna unbox these. I'm gonna put these on foot. I've been wanting these. It's a collector's item, but I'm going to wear them, especially around the house, because I mean, whew, if they look anything like the picture, these are gonna be fly. All right, so like I said, that's how they wrapped it. So this is special wrapping for the holidays, which, man, definitely got to keep that. Definitely keeping that intact, because that is special. Now, underneath it, of course, you know, you have your Louis Vuitton on the standard box. You guys can see that, right? Louis Vuitton on the standard box. But like I said, we're going to keep this on here because that's a collector's item. Look, the other Louis want to come out and see it too. Stay there. This is not about you. This is not about you. This right here is about these slippers. So you got your standard tissue paper with your Louis Vuitton sticker. If you guys can see that. Whew, I am excited. Okay, then you got, like we lost some light here. Light is hating on me. Anyway. You guys can still see me. Yeah, you guys can still see me. We got enough light. We got enough light. But most importantly, you guys don't want to see me. Y'all want to see this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I went ahead and got the red colorway. Oh, and I'm glad I did. I originally tried to get the orange, but like I said, had a hiccup with the order. I tried to get it through my client advisor, but for whatever reason, they were trying to do it that morning, the pre-orders, and they just couldn't get it done. And I was a little bit upset. I was in my feelings a little bit because I was like, man, I'm always shopping with you guys. I really want these shoes. I really want them. But you know, it is what it is. So I just let it be. And then I think right around a couple days before Christmas, I got this email from Louis Vuitton and said, hey, we're going to give you exclusive online access to pre-order anything from Pharrell's collection that you would like. So like I said, I got blessed. I got lucky. And I got them. Now, once again, these are available online, I believe, either later today or tomorrow. Today's date is January 3rd. The official release dates for these are January 4th. But like I said, got that pre-order, got them in early. And guess what? UPS came through in the clutch. So I was supposed to get them tomorrow. UPS gave them to me a day early. Man, when it works out like that, beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, these are the Palace slippers. Look at that Damier print. Oh my goodness. And so I don't want to jack nothing up. I'm going to read you guys the official description from Louis Vuitton themselves. All right, so these are the LV Palace slippers. They come in a Damier grain calf leather, as you guys can see right there, which replicates the look of Damier canvas. And it's a soft leather too, man. Ooh, buttery. And yeah, so the design is elevated by touches of color and the LV initials. You see that right there? They did a good job. They switched up the logo a little bit on there. I like it. I like it. Which are embroidered on the upper. Right there, as you guys can see. This extremely comfortable model, I got to see that for myself. It was inspired by hotel slippers. Yes, indeed. That's why I wanted them. That's why I wanted these. And they have memory foam, insole, and a rubber outsole in a Damier pattern. So that's the rubber outsole in a Damier pattern right there. And you guys can see the logo and everything in the shoe. Oh my goodness. And they said it has memory foam in it. Okay, Louis. Oh, I can't wait to put my feet in these. I can't wait to put my feet in these. But these are in a red colorway. Once again, memory foam insole, rubber outsole, LV initials on the upper insole, which is right here. You got the Damier pattern on the tread, which is right there. And these were made in Italy. Now the product care, yeah, I don't know if I really need to read all that to you guys. I don't think you guys care. You guys probably just want to see me put these on feet because you're like, hey, you've been talking too much. We want to see what they look like on feet. So without further ado, I'm going to hit you guys with some B-roll and I'll put these on feet and see how well this memory foam actually is. And I hope it's comfortable. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. With that being said, though, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up so other people can see what the actual shoes look like. And maybe they may want a pair. Right now, they're available online on LouisVuitton.com. And if you can't get them there, then you can swing on over to StockX because I just seen some people upload them for sale. I'm not selling these. These right here are staying with me on my feet, and I'm going to walk all around the house in these. With that being said, here goes the on foot. All right, so let's put these shoes on feet and see. I got these in a size 9. Louis Vuitton size. That's why I normally wear in Louis, 8.5, 9, because everything tends to run big in Louis. No, your sizing, and these fit perfectly. So for instance, if you wear a 10.5 in Nike, with Louis, you should go down 1.5 size in Louis Vuitton. So if you wear a 10.5 in Nike, you should get like a size 9 Louis. And that's also good for the trainers too. So if you're ever looking for some Louis Vuitton trainers, that's how you do the sizing with Louis Vuitton. But yeah, oh my goodness, these things are comfortable. And that memory foam, oh yeah. And it's rare because when you get luxury shoes, normally they aren't too comfortable, but with the LV trainers, they kind of stepped it up with Virgil, with the comfort, because they look great, but they also have some comfort. But what I will say right now, these slippers are probably my most comfortable Louis Vuitton shoes I ever had. Far as cushion, they actually put something in here, which is memory foam, that actually feels great. And like I said, you don't normally get that with luxury shoes. Mostly luxury shoes are just meant for looks. But these right here, oh no, they have the look and they are comfortable. Look at that pattern on the back. Oh man, and look at that pattern on the front. These are definitely some comfortable shoes, and definitely give that hotel vibe. I understand why they were made, and yeah, they are amazing. Let me give you guys a look on foot right here, what they look like right now on foot, as you guys can see. And yeah, look at that. Oh, these are so nice. Look at that. Yeah, I am liking these a lot. Yes, I am. Really, really like these. Very, very, very happy with my purchase. And yes, I can see myself walking all through the house in these. Cause yeah, they did their thing on these. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a comfortable pair of slides, I mean, like I said, they're on the higher end on the price. But like I said, this is Pharrell's first collection with Louis Vuitton. So I had to get it, had to show support. Did the same thing with Virgil Abloh when he was there. RIP to him. And but yeah, I had to get these. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I initially wanted the orange colorway because they come in orange, green, red, which I have here, and then the traditional brown color. And I almost got the brown, but I wanted to do something a little different, you know. And you hardly see red on Louis Vuitton. So when you do, it's kind of like, let me get that because it is different. And once again, I'm happy I did that. But the orange are fire. The orange were exclusively online. They sold out immediately. But you may get lucky. But I think for me, no need for me to double up. I'm happy with the red pair. And yeah. So once again, thank you guys for watching Rituals. Greatly appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And once again, that thumbs up really, really helps push this video out to other people. Helps the algorithm. Helps me be found. And helps people see the shoes so they can decide whether or not they would want to purchase these shoes. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Greatly appreciate your guys' support. Till next time, peace and love and many blessings and happy new year. Peace.